Welcome back to the channel for another video, you dig? Right now, Space finna jack that thing up. Finna get our 2 transmission lines in, nice and flush, and on to the timing part. Should be a piece of cake, really, guys.
Alright, y'all, so got everything pretty much ready to go. Don't worry about this wiring. We still taking care of that. But the headers I bought, they are for the car, but they don't fit because the type of heads that's on this car is angled heads and not straight. So the spark plugs sit in at an angle, and the damn headers is sitting on the boot of the spark plug, which is not allowing it to sit flush on the head. So the headers need to be, I'm gonna take them out first and then I'm gonna explain to y'all what's the problem.
Got me looking spiffy. You know what I'm saying?
Ride with no seat.
Yeah. Yes, sir. And we're gonna have to figure out what we finna do right here about this fitting. You know what I mean? It really goes to the heater cord, but we probably end up just connecting it to the water pump right now, figuring something out with one of the old hoses that we got, and we should be in there. Y'all seen that thing in the back already? I don't know if he showed y'all. Y'all probably seen the install, but this how it's chilling right here. Big 15-inch doinker sitting right on the back of your head, you know what I mean? So you can properly jam and vibe out when you go on those nice rides. Blue interior, like Papa Smurf, you know what I'm saying? Real presidential, like you can watch a movie with your boo thing, you know what I'm saying? If you feeling real good, light your spliff and get you a motherfucking pizza, some fruit, you know how it go. Ooh, look at that, man, come on, man, look how clean that window is. I'm lying, that window not clean.
You did this shit from the bottom?
Yes, sir. Still riding with no sit. Did you help it?
Yeah, it went up easy the first little bit.
Twisted at your end, yeah. There you go.
This line right here, bro, is one line, right?
Yep, and then it should be going down there.
Let me get that WD-40. I'll buy.
Where you put it at?
Make it right. It's a thing for this shit at the bottom too. What's that for?
What?
At the very, very bottom.
It ain't got it in there?
What?
The fitting in the bottom of the radiator.
What fitting?
It's just a hole right there.
It's a screw. You can screw, yeah, you can screw some shit to it.
But I'm saying it ain't nothing right there.
No.
Damn.
What is it?
You lying. It's
What
a plug. That's how you flush the radiator.
Oh, this shit.
Yeah.
Oh, well, now I'm gonna have to put one of them black things in there.
No, just take the one off the old radiator. It's just a hole right there.
Yeah, well, something you can screw into it, but ain't nothing in it.
There wasn't nothing in the box?
They know. I don't doubt it, though. We would have seen it, but
Should have came with something.
unless
in
I
the
put
box.
this little shit in there.
Nah. Ain't gonna work, my boy. But anyways, though, let me show y'all Starfire. And she over here looking like a Skittle. Multi-color, man. But she still look good. I think we got a major fuel clog problems. You know what I'm saying? But we got the hood cut. You know what I mean? I passed it to you. Look at it. It's right there on top of the thing. You tripping. Yep, so we're trying to get this thing cleaned up. I'm finna put all them bolts down there. I'm gonna put them in a plastic bag. And yes sir, got to clean the engine bay. Y'all, look how bad it's. Oh my god, it's horrible. But, yep. And we ended up catching air under our bondo. Look at this, look at this. She got a heartbeat. So we're gonna have to sand that piece off. Everything around it looks pretty cool anyways, but we'll have to take this off and put a little bit more, because it's not gonna cut it. But other than that, we're pretty much cool. We got that 10-inch thing in the back, L7R, you know what I mean? Still gotta do a little bit more cleaning up, but shoot, it's a progress. Hydro brake gonna be installed probably by the end of November, Thanksgiving or something like that, because I don't really feel like buying a second brake caliper and shit right now. But you know, it's a work in progress. Work in progress. But if you made it this far in the video, make sure you subscribe, you feel me? Like the video, and stay tuned for some more videos, bro. Let me see your hand. Kind of like angle it, the back of it more to the left. Like the part that you touch it, make that come more to the driver's side of the car so it go in there straight. Alright y'all, we finna finish fight with this here fitting, and get back to y'all in a second.
Alright y'all, we about to use the factory headers until the new ones come in, because we thirsty to start that motherfucker. So we just gonna start it with the factory headers. Hopefully they fit and everything good. And then we should be cranking this shit up a little bit later in the video. Spark plugs in, spark plug wires ready to go. Just gotta get the headers in and drop the distributor. Clean up a little bit of that wiring. Then it's gonna be good to go.
Damn, Space, this shit hard.
I'm gonna cut a little more off this end too, but I'm trying to get that bottom hose down there. Alright y'all, so now we about to put these headers on. Gotta use the old ones because the new ones I had bought were the wrong type. They do fit the car, but they for straight, I guess straight heads, and these are angled heads, which means the spark plugs sit catty-cornered. So when you try to put the other ones that I bought in, they get interference with the boots after you put the spark plug wires onto the spark plugs, because I'll show y'all in a minute when I pull the other ones out the box. But right now I'm about to try to get y'all the best angle so I can show y'all what I'm about to be, how I gotta screw these in, because you can't even screw these on from the top of the car. Like it's impossible. You gotta do it from the bottom. I got these two bolts in from the top, one right there where I'm pointing, and the other one on the other side. But you ain't getting to the rest of them bad boys at all. So I'm gonna try to get us the best angle from the bottom so I can show y'all what we about to do. Yeah. Really need to go get a jack stand too, cause I ain't got it here. Yeah, so I'm gonna go get a jack stand, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, cause I ain't getting up under here without no jack stand. I gotta be up under there for a while on both sides of the car. So we gonna get that jack stand and I'm gonna be right back. Alright guys, so this is where we screw it in right there. That bolt right there. Some right here. Gotta put them two in. And them two, and then two more on the other side over there. The can in a way. So I'm gonna get all them bolts in, and then I'm gonna show y'all what the headers look like, man, because we can't get them on from the top. They all in tight. Now we about to put this drain plug inside of the radiator. See if I can get y'all a good look. See that hole right there. Got the drain plug out of the old radiator. Just gonna screw it in right here. I was just screwing that drain plug in the radiator. Not yet. I'm on the phone with him.
Yes, sir. You could definitely build a 350 in your driveway. Cause we doing it, y'all. Oh yeah, we got our 10 up now. Gotta block out some of that Texas heat. 102. The cookie riding. Cookie riding good. So, we got our engine oil break-in, additive, you know what I mean? So, mix this in. Alright, how much you feel like you got left? Let me show you mixing that real good. Dang! How does that know? It ain't leaking though, huh?
No.
Oh, okay.
Just ain't had nothing in there. Oh, the car leaking.
Oh, yeah. Yup. Let me go ahead and put out other air filter. Oh, what? Oh, that's grass. Oh, nah, yeah. Nah, that ain't a spider. That's leaves.